Hello guys, how are you all? Today, I am going to do Kylie Jenner's Inspire makeup look. If you like my video then don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Let's start. She first applied moisturizer on her skin and lip balm on her lips. I have also applied. She draw eyebrows first in his video, so first I draw my eyebrow. Then I fixed the eyebrows with a spoolie used by concealer to show eyebrow neat and clean. She applied the remaining concealer over the eyelid. I put it that way. Then dab well with beauty blender. Dab, dab, dab. Now next step is eye makeup. She applied a nude color eyeshadow on the crease line. I also applied a nude color. And blend, blend, blend. Blend is the key to eye makeup. She used dark brown color to make the crease look darker. I also mixed light brown and black color together. Later, I applied the same diamond color highlighter on my brow bone. Later, she applies golden color eyeshadow on her eyelid. This eye makeup is very easy to create. Even beginners can try it. I didn't have orange shimmer color, so I mixed golden and orange color together to create Kylie's look. She applied orange shimmery color on her inner corner. I blended everything well. Kylie mixed liquid highlighter and foundation in her face makeup. But since I don't have liquid highlighter, I mixed foundation with powder highlighter and applied it. I applied the foundation on the face with the help of a brush. The output was good. Later, I blended it with a beauty blender. She also adopted the same method. She applied concealer again to make the upper eyebrow line look sharp. I also applied it and blended it well with beauty blender. She applied light color concealer under the eyes. I also applied and blended well. The main key to her signature look is her face contour method. She contours her face well under the cheekbones. She also contoured the nose well. Now it's baking time. Where she applied the contour, she baked it a little heavier, so I also baked the same way with powder. Later she set full face with face powder with SPF 30. I also set my face with face powder with SPF 30. I purchased it from an online page. Then I applied blush on my cheeks. I cleaned all the extra powder on my face. Now I took the prime color from this eyeshadow palette and applied it lightly on my lower lash line. Then I curled my eyelashes with an eyelash curler and applied my mascara, like Kylie applied. Now the fun thing is overline the lip same like Kylie. This is a technique through which we can get plump lips like her, without any lip surgery. So keep watching. Now, I made the lip nude with a little concealer in the middle of the lips. Last, I applied lip gloss like Kylie. is highlighter. My final look. After using setting spray. Hope everyone liked my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Stay safe.